The role of failure in success, why it's not the end of the world. In this video, we will explore the role of failure in achieving success. Contrary to popular belief, failure is not the end of the world, but rather an essential part of the journey towards success. We will discuss how to use failure to your advantage and the benefits that come with it. First, failure teaches us resilience and mental toughness. When we experience failure, it can be easy to give up and lose hope. However, if we can learn to pick ourselves up and try again, we build resilience and mental toughness that can help us in all areas of our lives. One of the most significant benefits of failure is that it helps us identify our weaknesses. When we fail, we can analyze what went wrong and what we could do differently. This process of self-reflection and analysis can lead to new strategies and ideas for tackling problems that we may not have considered before. Furthermore, failure is an essential part of learning and growth. When we experience failure, we gain new insights and perspectives that we may not have had otherwise. This can help us develop new skills and knowledge that we can use to achieve success in the future. Ultimately, failure can help us become better versions of ourselves. By learning from our mistakes and growing from them, we become more resilient, adaptable, and capable of achieving our goals. To illustrate this point, let's take a look at some examples of successful individuals who have overcome failure. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced rejection from numerous publishers before finally finding success. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first job as a news anchor before becoming one of the most successful television personalities in history. These individuals didn't let failure define them, but instead used it as a tool to achieve success. In conclusion, failure is not the end of the world but rather an essential part of the journey towards success. By embracing failure and learning from it, we can develop resilience, identify our weaknesses, and ultimately become better versions of ourselves.